Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. 2025 Hyundai Palisade is not yet officially released, but there is a lot of speculation and rumors about what it will look like and what features it will have. Here is a summary of what we know so far. Design. The 2025 Palisade is expected to have a complete redesign, with a more aggressive and modern look. It is rumored to have a larger grille, more prominent headlights, and a more sculpted body. Powertrain. The 2025 Palisade is expected to offer a variety of powertrains, including a gasoline engine, a hybrid option, and possibly even a plug-in hybrid option. The gasoline engine is rumored to be a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine that will produce more power and torque than the current model. The hybrid option is rumored to be based on a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with an electric motor. Technology. The 2025 Palisade is expected to be loaded with the latest technology, including a new infotainment system, a digital instrument cluster, and a variety of advanced driver assistance features. The infotainment system is rumored to be a larger touchscreen system that will be compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is rumored to be a customizable display that will show a variety of information, such as speed, fuel level, and navigation. The advanced driver assistance features are rumored to include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. It is important to note that this information is not confirmed by Hyundai, and it is subject to change. We will have to wait until Hyundai officially unveils the 2025 Palisade to know for sure what it will look like and what features it will have. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for more car-related content.